Hello. So this year in Blackboard, you will notice that we are going to be practicing our sight words in a little bit of a different way. We're going to be practicing with regular flashcards, and you can practice those any way you'd like. But there's another way we're going to practice that's on paper or on the computer, because reading and writing your sight words, they go hand in hand. If you know how to spell them, it makes it easier for you to read them later. It also helps you when you're doing your writing if you know how to spell them. So you'll notice that up here, there is a week 1 sight word worksheets. So this is when you click on week 1. Up at the top, there are some worksheets here. There are two options for you. If you would like to print out these worksheets, you are welcome to. There's just one for each of the words for this week. You can choose to do these on paper. There is also an online option. So if your child would prefer to do the online option, that's absolutely fine. So it's optional to print these, but if you would like to, that's where they are. So those are the written ones, if you would like to print them. If not, when you click on your portfolio, so here's your portfolio. And when you go into your portfolio, you'll see those same sight words, or you'll see the sight word cards here. And then you'll also see Q1 sight word activities. So these are all the sight words for the whole quarter, not just for this week. So if you would prefer to do an online version of your sight word practice, you can go into here in your portfolio. There will be a label that says what week that we're on. So if you scroll down here on the side, you'll see a week 2, and all the words after that will obviously be the week 2 words. So for week 1, I can just go to the first one. Anytime there's a box like that, you can just type in. So the first one is your name. So you can just type in your name. You can follow the directions. So you'll just trace the word on the screen and say the letter out loud, I. Down here, you can jump and spell. So stand up and practice spelling that word. Every time you jump, like you're jumping rope, you say another letter of the word. You can practice typing the word in the next box. Over here, put a circle around the word. You're just going to drag this circle down to wherever you see that word I. And then down at the bottom, you're going to use the letters to spell the word. So I can show you with one that's longer. There we go. So there's a sentence to read, and you're going to use the words, you're going to unscramble the letters. So you just are going to put one letter in each box and spell your sight word for the week. And then you can read your sentence. Can I go to? So you are going to just be practicing, you're practicing your sight words in one of those ways. You can either, and either way is fine, you can either use the printed worksheets that look like this. They're really the same activities, it's just one is printed. Or you can go into your portfolio, click on Q1 sight word activities, and you can complete the sight words there. If you choose the online version, these do not need to be turned in separately. As soon as they are done here, I can go in and see them. So if you choose the online version, I can just go in and look at them. If you do the written one, those will be turned in at the end of each week. Let me know if you have any questions.